Sandra here.
And Lewis.
With First Class RV Adventures, and thank you so much for tuning back into our channel. Today we are going to go ahead and give you our thoughts and our review on the WeBoost RV that we installed about 2 months ago. So, here we go.
First off, I want to say the installation process was really easy. They actually give you a couple options on how to mount it. We went ahead and mounted it on top of our antenna for our TV, which we don't use anyway, but it does pop up and pop down really easily. So we went ahead and used that. Plus, I didn't have to drill another hole into my roof because I already had an existing hole there from my satellite dish. So I actually got to use that one, so I was really happy about that. But it literally comes with everything you could possibly need for the installation process, minus maybe a drill if you need to drill a hole. But it was really easy to install.
So if you missed that video, we actually show you how Lewis installed it in our specific toy hauler. That's what we have. And it was actually super simple. It's a little overwhelming when you open the package, and it's because they have thought of everything. So they give you different options on how to install it. So install A+. And also as far as the service on it. So what we learned immediately after installing it is actually we went from 2 bars to full bars with our AT&T hotspot, which we are super impressed. We did learn that if there is no service, so we had Sprint for many years. We recently actually just got rid of them because there was a lot of areas that we had literally no service, and the WeBoost cannot give you a boost when there is no service. So just keep that in mind. And I mean, it's not that we expected it, but just to make sure that that's clear, you know? But other than that, now we have T-Mobile. We're very happy with it. But just last night, actually, it went from 2 bars to full bars where we're at. So it extended our signal and it doubled. We're in Eastern Washington and these yellow jacks are crazy. And what was I saying? So last night I did a speed test and it actually had doubled our upload and our download speeds. And we work from our phones, so this is really important for us. They now are officially our hotspots as well. And we have been able to upload to our YouTube channel with 4K rather quickly thanks to the WeBoost doubling our signal on our hotspots. So we are extremely excited. You know,
incredible. It
is so incredible, and we are excited because we waited enough time to make sure that the review we did on it was accurate. We highly recommend it. We don't recommend things if we don't like them. So this is definitely something that we recommend having, whether you're traveling. I mean, WeBoost has so many options. Maybe you don't travel in an RV like us. You can have one in your home. You can have one in your car. You can have one in your boat. So there are so many options out there to boost your signal. It is amazing, easy installs, great pricing for what you get. And last but not least, their customer service is great because we do travel and our antenna is on top. The cover flew off. I mean, it hasn't affected the signal, but I emailed them so I could purchase a replacement cover. That way it's not looking the way it looks now. So I emailed them and I was expecting to have to pay something for a cover. They were so quick. It took them less than a day to answer back. They asked for my shipping address and they are sending us a new one. It was so simple. They just asked for the model. So customer service, A+. Installation, A+, and as far as doing what they say it does, A++. So we recommend it. Links are below so that you could get your own.
Go get your WeBoost.
Yes, and don't forget, my name is Sandra.
And I'm Lewis.
With First Class RV Adventures, where we support your dreams. Bye guys, thanks for tuning in.
Run!
These yellow jacks. Did that just move?
That's all it is.
Ah!
What the heck?
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
Alright, we gotta wrap this
All right.
up.
Yeah. First class RV adventures. First class RV adventures. let's all be adventurous.